Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I walk you through the steps of how to create an Amazon seller account. Okay, so basically this will be a USA account. Okay, so I'm on the official website here of Amazon, and as you can see, I'm on my Google Chrome. So this is a step-by-step guide on registration for new sellers. Okay, step number 1 says, okay, step-by-step guide of walking through registration on Amazon and create an account for your seller. Okay, launch the business on Amazon. Okay, all right, so let me scroll down a bit until I see the steps. Okay, so basically these are steps over here, so I'll just come to the last one over here. Okay, or if by default I can come and start from the first step. It says start Amazon in seller registration. Okay, this is step number 1 over here. Okay, so and here they show you how it goes. Okay, so you come and click on start Amazon in seller illustration over here. Okay, this button over here, as you can see, this is a simple illustration, and after clicking on that, make sure that you come and create your account. Okay, step number 2, enter your GST number. Okay, enter your GST number. In case you want to sell GST exempt products, sell the option I only sell tax exempted products. So this means you only sell items that are not exempted or that are not subjected to taxes. Okay, then if you sell such items, enter your GST number. Okay, and here this is an illustration of entering your GST number. Step number 3, verify your GST number. So to prove that it's really your GST number, you have to come and verify your GST number, and the verification takes around 72 hours over here. As you can see, these are steps of following up over here, and then verify your GST number. Step number 4, enter a store number. So this is basically your store number on your Amazon application, okay, or on your Amazon account. So come here and then enter it. Then step number 5, enter pickup address. Okay, so in the next step you have to enter the pickup address where you want the products to be picked at. Then step number 6, choose the shipping method. You want to choose Easy Ship. With Easy Ship, you store and pack your orders to pick in the location, and Amazon picks the deliverers to your customers. So this means in Easy Ship, your products will be taken to your customers by Amazon. Then self-ship means that yourself, you take your products to your customers and you pick them you yourself. So this means you have 2 options, Easy Pick and then self-pick. Okay, so add your bank account, 7th step. Then set a default tax rate. Okay, then list your products over here. The products you're selling, you have to add them, and this is just a simple step or a simple illustration on how to add those products over here. Okay, if you want, you can come and preview such an image over here so that you can see well what I'm talking about. Okay, so after doing all that, come here and launch your store. So launching your store is the last step. Okay, all right, so guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you really found value in this video. Thank you very much.